Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to indent first line in Google slide. Let's get started. Select the text first and go to format option. Click the text fitting and go to special and select the first line and increase the line indent. You can apply another way. Remove the line indent and check mark the ruler and go to left and right indent. Press the mouse point and move the mouse point. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.